Stop. Take a deep breath. Can you hear that? That's the sound of silence, the sound of absolute serenity. This is Sobha Aranya at Karma Lakelands, a vision where urban luxury meets 270 acres of biodiverse paradise. It's an address reserved for those who believe a home should be a sanctuary.
Where mornings begin with the breath of nature and evenings glow with the warmth of luxury. Spacious 3 and 4 BHK residences, crafted for those who seek calm and command class. Every moment here breathes peace and perfection. Because at Sobha Aranya, luxury isn't just designed, it's lived. Sobha Aranya, where nature lives in luxury.